redo it, you know, helps get rid of some of that. Yes.
I watched your show.
Yes.
And
My show.
yeah.
You're a star. I am. I tell you.
And you talked about how, whether we want it soft or whether,
Yes.
so the tighter
The tighter the quilting, the more quilting you have in it, the more rigid it's going to stand. Okay. The density. Yes.
Okay. So that should be something that we would say
Yes.
if we want it to be a softer.
Yes. And okay, so here's another thing. I'm going to look at your quilt. Okay. You've got a super traditional quilt you've brought into me. Okay. Most likely you've picked a cotton batting because you did a traditional quilt. So then you're going to want denser quilting. Okay. Next scenario, you brought in a baby quilt. You picked wool batting. Guess what? I'm going bigger. Okay. Automatically, because wool is puffy. You want it to be puffy. If you didn't want it to be puffy, you would have picked cotton. So those things all play a part in how we choose the designs. Okay.
Next time I come in, I'm asking you to pick my batting.
Makes a difference. Wool is wonderful in baby quilts. Wonderful. Polyester is wonderful in baby quilts because it's going to get washed a bazillion times. So yes, there are definitely, all those things go together. It's not like there's just an A and a B. I look at the whole package that you hand me. If you've done itsy bitsy piecing, I'm not doing a flower that's this big. I'm going to find something that's going to be that. If you're going to bring me something that is a 30s reproduction, I'm looking for a 30s reproduction kind of a design to go with it. And I have called people and said, you picked out a really modern design, and this is a very traditional quilt. I would not put those two things together. You know, so I will definitely help to guide you. And there are some people that I know that they're